Hello, today I'll show you how to change the air filter on a CLK 230 compressor 1998 new filter. This car has the stepped filter, so make sure it looks like this. Start off by removing the clips. Start off 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one is a special one, a long one, which will come out, so make sure you take care of that. Need to remove this screw here. Okay, we'll loosen this one up as well. This butterfly valve has a little cable at the back, so you can disconnect that as well. It's a squeeze type, so squeeze it here and pulls out. This should pull off as well now. There's this bottom breather one as well. There's another clip down here. Forgot about that. Another clip down here. There we go. This pulls out the way. And here we have the dirty old filter. You can see traces of oil. This use tends to clog up the filter. I'm sure you can see it, but it's very dirty. It's worthwhile having a look in the actual airbox to see what there is, because there's always traces of other stuff. It's worth pulling them out with a tissue. So. Worth giving a clean inside. It's also worth giving the inside of these pipes a little clean, because there's a lot of oil build-up, and that's what can clog up your filter. So it helps us out a bit. Especially this breather pipe up here. There's always lots of oil on this one. Yeah, just clean it up. Same for this top of the airbox, give it a little clean. Give that a clean. See the butterfly valve there? It's fully open. Yeah, it's not too bad actually. Take the filter, and the step should face away from you. Make sure all around the side is well sealed, so it creates a seal. And we'll put this back on. Connect this breather pipe first. Let's put the pipes into the right position so you can move this about. Same with this. Need the tightening ring. Okay. Tighten up the clips. Get this one at the back. But to reconnect the cabling to this butterfly valve. Make sure it's clipped in. Yep. Looking good. And that's it. That's your how to change the air filter.